I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open an Audi A3 bonnet with a broken cable. Start by finding the interior release lever on the driver's side kick panel and pull it firmly while an assistant lifts the bonnet slightly. Check for any visible cable, slack, and feel for the latch moving under the grille. Work patiently and avoid forcing components to prevent further damage, and keep lightweight tools nearby for gentle prying. Stand in front of the Audi and slide your hand under the grille to locate the secondary latch. Glove up first. While an assistant lifts the bonnet slightly, use a long, flat tool to nudge the latch toward the center until you hear a click. Take care with plastic clips and trim, easing them free rather than forcing them. If resistance persists, pause and reassess to avoid creating bigger repairs. You can rig a temporary release by feeding a replacement pull cable or sturdy wire through the damaged housing and tying a secure knot. Test the interior lever to confirm the temporary cable operates the latch smoothly, and avoid relying on this fix long term. Drive only after repeatedly checking the bonnet stays closed, and arrange a proper cable replacement and latch inspection to restore safe, reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.